Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in our last session we discussed about how to create, alter and delete the database. So today we will discuss how to create the table inside the database. So we are using this database like temp db1 which we created in last time. Okay, so let's see the how to create the table first. So the syntax is create table, whatever the name you just want to give your table name, that is table name, and within the parenthesis you have to define the column name, column 1, column 2 and column 3, and accordingly you will mention their data types. Okay, so whatever like integer or tag or text like where, char or whatever. Okay, so that's the syntax. So now let's take this practical example. So I am taking the employee table, that is table name, create table, table name here, and inside the parenthesis my column names are id and the data type is integer, and then the next is name, salary. Okay, so let's see how to create this one. Okay, so execute this one. So my command completed successfully. So inside this database, so refresh, and the table name will be visible inside the temp db1. Okay, here you see the table name, that is employee table. Now once you create the table, so obviously you will have to input, you will have to create some values inside that table, and to put the values inside the table the syntax is insert into table name, and whatever the columns id, name, salary, so values are 1, my 55, 100. Okay, so accordingly so whatever the values you will be there, so you will update accordingly. So the now let's execute these statements. Execute. Okay, so now the values have been updated within the table. So now let's select the table name. Okay, so execute this one. Okay, so see, id, name and salary, so whatever the values are there, so it will be visible by selecting the table. Okay, so in case if you want to alter the table, so last time we created this table, so like name varchar was 50, so now I want to update, change the data type from 50 to 55, so that's why alter table, employee table, and the alter column name varchar. Okay, so now, so you, in this way you can alter the table. Okay, so command completed successfully. All right, so in the last, so obviously we have created the table, and then we have put the values inside the table. Now if you want to drop the table, then you can drop the table easily. Execute, the command completed successfully, and now the table will be removed from here, so you can refresh here. Okay, so let's see the table is visible or not. See, the table is not available right now. So in this way we have created the table. So till then, thank you very much.